Hello everyone and welcome to another live stream in which we're going to try, at least, to build a receipt app. I didn't really know what to build today. I just wanted to try to build an interesting app. So I went to UI Design Daily. Let me post the link in the chat. And I found some nice designs here from my friends. And I kinda liked this one. Although it's a mobile, it's mobile design, but still, it looks pretty interesting. And also, we have the app ideas repository, and there we have this receipt app, idea, and we could also use this. So it should be pretty interesting. We have the MealDB API, which can be used, and few things we can do. So, hello everyone in the live chat. Say hi if you joined. Let me place the chat here so I can see, and we can start. It shouldn't be very complex. I will, I was thinking to do it in React, but then I was thinking maybe we should start with HTML. You know what? Let's do it in React. That should be interesting. So let me change the title then. With React. All right. Good. Hello Rolex, hello Laurent, hello Caleb, hello Himanshu. How are you today? Alright, everything seems to be working fine, I hope. So let's create folder, receipt, like that. Just a simple one. Open it in VS Code. And we're going to try to use create React app, and hopefully it won't break my Mac again. Pop Goody doesn't work. Yeah, you need to be a member for that. All right. Hello, Rodrigo. Yeah. Goody. So. Hello, Sarat. How are you? Welcome. So let me use, I think it's npx create React app and dot. So it will create in this folder. It might take some time. Hello, Bruna, Aziz, T-Shell. Whoa, so many people. Nice to see you all. Although I don't have the design in mind for the entire page, I just like this feature thingy, like the featured receipts. And I kind of want to do this. Not sure where, and probably, yeah, we'll see. Oh, I know that we can use this API. You find a typo on MealDB. Well, let's leave it to 100 for now. The likes goal. We are, I don't know, optimistic today. Okay, come on. So, I'm thinking. Let's see, we're going to use probably Tailwind to style it, or we should do it in just vanilla CSS. You should vote. Let's see what you guys want to see. The only concern I have with Tailwind is if I want to do like some anim transitions. Although, yeah, probably it should be fine. I'm going to do more front-end mentor challenges. I'm not sure how many are left there. Let me see. Front-end mentor. But yeah, those were fun, right? Well, I think I did like 14, so at least 10 remaining. Log it to give you a like. Oh, sorry. Okay, let's see. Tailwind, Vanilla CS. Okay, so there's 1-1 now. Is 17th your birthday? Thank you. Yeah, it is. And we're going to have a special live stream on Sunday, so maybe you'd want to join. We'll have a couple of things. Hey Samir, I'm good. How are you? We're out of lockdown, by the way. So the first thing I went to make to do my how do you say to have a haircut? I think vanilla tailwind. Okay, let's make a quick pool using straw pool. Yeah, let's see. Okay, we're done with the React. In the meantime, let me quickly create a straw poll. I'm going to share it. You can't really see me. Wait a second. Alright, I'm back. So straw poll doesn't seem to work. Alright, I guess you should vote then in the chat. Just say in the chat. We have tailwind vanilla, vanilla. Yeah, I got a haircut. So far vanilla wins, so yeah. Hey Big Dan, welcome everyone. I haven't been streaming the past week, so kind of missed it. I don't know. I was a bit lazy, I think. Although I recorded a lot of videos, so vanilla, vanilla, vanilla. Okay. Alright, good. So we have the React app. Let me quickly remove what I don't need. Yeah, disable. I don't need this. I don't need this. Neither this. Oops. I deleted the git ignore. Oops. Yes, please. Okay, it's kind of laggy again. If it dies, I will be back, so don't go away. All right. I removed those. Now we don't have well, I'm going to keep app. Nah, I won't keep app CSS either. So I'm going to remove this and make this clear. Hello. All right, and here we don't need this and this and this. All right. Okay, good. Let's see here. Start, and hopefully it will work. You made a straw poll. Oh, I'm not sure if you can share the link though. So let me place this here. Vanilla tail. Yeah, vanilla one. Vanilla one. So let's go with that. Is it just me or my Mac is kind of slow? I should probably reinstall the OS. Okay. So yeah, we have the React app. Good. Goody. Like this, maybe even smaller. And we have here the code. Now, what would you like to see on a receipt app? Let's see what we have in the app ideas repository. Receipts are nothing more than color algorithms. Yeah, this seems to be done by... It's by Brian? Okay. Yeah, who knows? Is OOP necessary for front-end development? Not necessary, but Yeah, it wouldn't hurt. So user can see a list of receipt titles. User can click a receipt title to display a receipt and card containing the receipt title, mirror type, number of blah, 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 blah. Okay, so I'm going to use this API. Hopefully you can see it because it's on, my head is on top. So we can list meals by first letter, look up a single random meal, list all meals categories. That's nice. But I kind of want to have a search bar and we can search meals. And I saw some kind of a tile, yeah, something like this. Maybe we can display it on page to look like this. Although I kind of want to combine these two. For some reason I like this stuff. And should be, oh no? Yeah, we'll see. Do you know a good website to practice HTML and CSS? Yes, frontendmentor.io. You can use that. Whoa, look at that, we have 25 likes already. Well, I guess, let me put the likes goal to, or should I leave it? Let's leave it to 100. I said that we're optimistic today. Okay. It's hard to, well, at least for me, to figure out how we should have things on the page. But yeah, I said that we're going to have vanilla JavaScript, vanilla CSS. So let me do a style.css here, and I'm going to import it in here, somewhere over the rainbow. Okay, style.css. Good, and this will be a receipt. Yeah. So what would you like to see in a receipt app? Probably a search, then maybe some featured receipts like we have here. And after search, we can see these tiles like on top of each other. And when we click view receipt, we get more information or something in a model. Maybe that's the basic idea I have. But could you make your own receipt? Ooh, and like save it? I don't think you can push to this. Not sure if you can push. Bookmark functionality. Yeah, maybe. So let's write a list of things we should do. Here in the app.js, let's write a to-dos, something like that. Okay, so we want to be able, yeah, I'm using an API. And we want to be able to search for meals. Then we want to display the results. Then maybe featured meals, I think. Not sure what happened. Ivan, what happened there with Caleb? Okay, so featured meals, right? And maybe for like bookmark, this will be like a higher it will be like a bonus feature. So bonus something like bookmark your or favorite receipt. Okay, and maybe a place to see your favorite receipt. But yeah, as I said, this will be a special thingy. Okay. Yes, I'm not sure why it's timed out. All right. Good. So let's start by having a search, or well, at least, so we can search by name. What? Oh, let's see what this gives us back. If we search by, I don't know, orange. Okay, so we have a meals. Oh, I remember now. I have, I think I have a video about it. Your baby grabbed the phone. Yeah, I was thinking, what did Caleb do to be put on timeout? Sorry, Caleb. Yeah. Your baby is fancy. She's blocking people. Okay, so what we get back is the name, the category, the area, right? Not area. Instructions. Don't we have description? Nope. Source. Thumbnail. So we have an image and we have instructions. We don't really have what it says here. Also, not the time. So these designs don't really work with what we have. I mean, what would you use? Where is it here? The meal. I wish they had some kind of, I don't know, details about the meal. Or I guess we could do an excerpt for these instructions. Is there a way? I don't know if there's a way to get Caleb out of the timeout. I don't know. So Caleb, you might, if I put you again. Hello, Punit. So yeah, I'm not sure. Let me 1 second to see here. Live chat. Yeah. I don't know how to do that. So sorry. Okay. Hey Raj, thank you. Good. So Caleb, you might have to wait. Oh, I timed you out again. Lol. Or maybe if I wait. If I add your moderator, can you type now? Let's see. Yeah, maybe that. So you should be out. Live chat, YouTube, get out of timeout. Oops, so there's no way to undo. Oops. Yeah. Sorry, Caleb. I'm sure Ivan didn't want that. All right, so let's get back to this. Is there a way? Hello, Arpan. So is there a way for us to get like featured meals, or we just need to find some meals and use them as a featured meals? Let's see. So we can search. We list all meals by first letter. Okay. full meals detail by the ID, a single random meal. Oh, I guess let's do random meal here, random / featured meal. And we could use this. Okay, yeah, let's do that. So just so we can see we have there, I'm going to create a components folder, and here we're going to have random meal. You might hear birds chirping. If it bothers you, let me know. Import React React from React. Sometimes I mess it up. I don't know how to import stuff. Yeah, yay, I nailed it. I don't write that much React the past days, so. Well, the past weeks actually. Good. So we want to have a const random meal. And yeah, we're going to use hooks because it's easier. Export default random meal. All right, and here we're going to have a div, and oh wait, so we're going to need this, and we're going to return. What's wrong with React? What do you mean? Nothing wrong with React. I just for small projects I just get up and running faster with JVanilla, so I didn't use it that much. Okay, so let's see here, a div, and I wanted to say random meal for now. This will be like the header of our app, I think. Yeah, too bad I'm not a designer. Okay, and here in the components we're going to have an index.js, which will import a random meal from random meal, and it will export like this, random meal. So now in app.js we can import random meal from components like this, and we can use it. So hello React, and here random meal. Let's see if that works. Okay, I don't need this anymore. I will see about this. Do we have something else? Let's see this, how it looks. Okay. Design is probably my biggest drawback, so I need inspiration always if I want to make something look pretty. Otherwise it will just be blah. Okay, save. All right, so hello React and random meal. Perfect. Let's do some basic CSS. I can close this for now. Style CSS on the body. Let's use box sizing border box. Then on the body, maybe we'll use this background color, which is this color, like that. And font, let's use Poppins. Okay, so this is again the new interface of Google Fonts. I don't use it that much. So maybe this and this. Embed, import. Oh, okay. It's not that bad. So we're using this font. Hopefully it will work. Let's see. Font size, Poppins, sans serif. Yeah, it didn't. Oh, font size. Yeah, my bad. So font family. All right, goody goody. Hello Ishan, welcome. Good. So we have that. Now let's create this kind of a tile for the random meal. And also we kind of want always to get a random meal from that API. So we're going to use this. This will be our API. Const API URL. Okay. And we're going to use the use state effect. Use state, not effect, sorry. Use state hooks. And here we're going to have the meal and set meal, and we'll have use state and by default undefined. If not meal, we want to return null. Otherwise, we're going to return this. Good. And here we're going to use use effect, right? So we kind of need that. Use effect. And inside here, we want to set the meal to be. Can we do a sync? I totally forgot. See, if you're not using the technologies, you kind of forget. Although, having experience, you can kind of come up quickly, or well, at least I guess you can search. So, let's see. We want to set the meal to be a meal from the fetch. So we want to fetch and API URL. We want to wait for this. We're going to get a response, and the meal, well, the random meal will be await res.json. And then here we're going to set meal to random meal. If this works, I'll be impressed. It's just my muscle memory working. So let's see, string meal, yeah. So we have maybe an h1 meal dot string meal. Everything here is str, which is str weird. All right, let's see. Nope. So I messed up something. Okay, effect callbacks are synchronous to prevent race conditions. Alright, so not this. Okay, then I guess we're going to do something like this, and then res.res.json, and then data, well, I guess meal, set meal. Okay, but we still don't see a meal. Why is that? So we don't have a meal. So what's happening? You want to make anonymous async function. Isn't it what I'm doing here? Hello, Tompkins. Inside is effect and call it. Yeah. Well, let's see. Use effect. Async. Let's see what this article says. Yeah, I know. So use effect async await. At first glance, you have the idea to do something similar to your content. Okay, what's wrong with that? If you're using types, the compiler should be yelling something like this. Okay. So use effect. Okay, I see. So this, something like this, we're going to, yeah, to create this function inside. Although you said anonymous function. So yeah, although we should get the receipt here, well, the meal. Why don't we? So yeah, let me put here, we should see this. Okay, so we have a meal. Oh, I think I know what's happening. So the response is the meal is an array with the meal like the first. So the meals. All right, 1 second. So response, we get another response here, and we have response that meals that 0. All right, finally. Okay. Let's see. You thought that you're the only one taking help from Google when coding. Yeah, that's definitely not the case. I use Google all the time because, well, I forget things. Okay, so let's use, oops. Let's use that approach. So we're going to do a sync function get meal. How do you write? Totally a noob now. Okay, so you can do that, apparently. Yeah, I have some bugs today in my brain. Okay, and we can call get meal here, and here we can do the stuff we did. Response is await. Hey Adrian, welcome. You're sleepy? Yeah, so do I apparently. I messed up things. Hello Mustafa, welcome. Greetings from Egypt. Nice. Good. So we want to await the fetch API URL. Come on. And then the meal will be await rest.json meals of 0. And we want to set meal to meal. Const name as in, yeah. Thank you. Okay, canary properties of undefined. Why? I guess then data meals 0. Finally. Did you try Dino? Yeah, yesterday. Hey Raj. Okay, so we have this meal. Finally. It was harder than I thought because, well, I kind of missed my React lessons lately. Style components. Yeah, I kind of like them, although I'm going to do custom styling now. All right, so we're going to have this type of, let's see, this or this. Let's add this kind of UI. So it will be the div, which will have another div, image, come on, and another div here, which will have the h2, the title. It will have a paragraph with the description, and we have a couple of things. Now I'm not going to use Tailwind this time. So we could use, instead here you can see we have times and stuff, but we could instead of that use the, let's see, the category, the area, and that's all. tags. It doesn't have tags. I guess the category and the area. So let's make a UL li times 2, and this one will be category, and in a strong tag, oops, we're going to say dessert. And here we're going to have area, strong tag will be Tunisian. Okay, so something like this for now. Look at how slow it loads. Hopefully it won't die. Okay, so we have all the information we want in this meal object. So let's see, the image is this. Should I destructure it? Yeah, let's do it here. So we have string meal thumb. We need string instructions. We need string area and string category, and this will come from meal, and we can use this here. So the source will be string meal thumb. Here we can use, oh, we need a title, so string meal. Not sure why prettier is using two spaces instead of 4. Oh well. Okay, string meal. Good. Here string meal. Description will be string instructions. Category will be string category, and this will be string area. And I don't think here in the design we have, no, so we don't need these. All right. Watching this while eating. Bon appetit. All right, look at that. So we have something here. Yeah, these images don't look like very professional, but oh well. Okay, let's style this. Let's see, this will be class name of meal. Left, righty, yeah, class name, image, folder, image, container. Okay, and yeah, let's give class to everything here. Meal title, class name will be meal instruction. Although maybe we'll do excerpt here. Yeah, we're not on Instagram. Yeah, that's true. Okay, the category. So the UL class name, let's be meal info. All right, so we can target these just to make our CSS pretty. So meal. I kind of want this to be now display flex and item centered. No, not really. So flex. Ah, you know what? No. Body no flex. No one is flexing. So instead, I'm going to have some kind of a container. Let's see. So we have, yeah, I kind of started with number 3 here. I just realized. But we're going to have some kind of a header, and this random meal feature will be in some kind of a container. So container. Okay, I guess we can use section here. All right, so now this, why aren't you saved here? The container will be width something like 800 pixels and max weight 100%, and will be margin 0 margin 0 auto. Okay, and then the meal, this will be displayed flex, not grid. Good. The image container. I kind of don't like the fact that we don't have meal image container. Meal image, yeah. I don't know. This is why I like Tailwind. Kind of has all this for you. I don't use Material UI. Okay, so meal image. This will be something, and we'll have an image inside. And this image will be max weight 100%, and the meal image will be something like weight 400, or yeah, let's do that. No, not 400, so 800. We want quarter of it, so maybe we can use flex. Flex 1/3. No, 1/3 is what I'm doing today. 30%. So I'm kind of messing up today. Okay, let's redo here. So we have this. I want this to be flex 1 and this flex 3 or 2. So let me add here class name of meal details. Not sure why I'm messing this up. So meal details will be flex 2. I want it to be twice as big, and this will be flex 1. All right, kind of. I don't use it. I don't know. No, I don't have necessarily a reason to not use it. Okay, let's see. How far are we? Pretty far. Now this is too long, so maybe we can cut it like with a slice or something. So let's do that. Slice. No, not slice. We have a string. So substring. I don't know this. So substring JavaScript. There is substring and there is yeah, so from 0 to something, and it will start. Okay, and position up to but not including. Okay, so this is like a slice. Good. So substring, we want the first 100 characters. All right, so it won't be that long. All right, pretty good now. Okay, there's wind here. Good, but also kind of want to add ... to it. Can we do this? Yay, we can. Good. Let's improve the UI a bit more. So the meal, kind of want it to be some margin, some padding, some background color, and I want it to have a border radius of 5 pixels. And then overflow hidden, so we see the radius here. Alrighty, now on this I want a lot of padding. Maybe even more, Just 1 second, let me close the window. It's kind of windy. 1 second. All right, I'm back again. Yeah, it's like, I don't know, the trees are shaking. That's how powerful the wind is. Okay, now the image is kind of fancy. Good. So the image here max, well, let's make it width, height, like that. All right, good. And we can do object fit cover, so it won't stretch. All right. Although the container margin, let me add some padding around it. 20 pixels. Yeah. Kind of. My throat. Slowly looks starting to looks. What's wrong with me today? Starting to look better and better. Okay, so we need this, we need this, we need this. Okay, the title. We don't want margin, top, margin right and left, but maybe we want to keep like 20 pixels down. All right. The mill instruction, maybe make it, let's see. Oh, also the color. Let's use the color. Another color. Hey, Shirkan. Yeah, I don't like that. Apparently my Siri thought that if I said, hey, Shirkan, I said, hey, Siri. But I didn't. I don't have that blue. So maybe use this instead? Not really. I want that color. Kinda cheated now. So let's see now. Yeah, much better. Okay, the instructions should be a bit smaller. Maybe? Okay. Maybe more padding. How old I am? 126 soon. Alright, and now the mill info, this is the UL. We wanted to have list style type none. Padding 0. Display flex. And then mill info li. We want it to be margin right 30 pixels. Okay, and mill info li, it has a strong tag. We want it to be display block. Not bad, not bad. I want this to be font size 12 pixels. Nah, too small. And I want it to have a color of grayish something. All right, and this will have our color, and it will be font size 16 pixels. Yeah, kind of. I don't like that gray, but other than that, well, let's make this even bigger. Let's see what we have here. Yeah, this is kind of a light font weight. So maybe use that. 400, 600. Let's also add 200. And we can use here font weight 200. No. 300. Doesn't feel that good though. I don't know. Let's put some more margin on the right. Well, I guess. We can add a box shadow on the middle. How do you like this? How would you improve it? Something, so we want bottom. So 3 pixels, 5 pixels, and some blackish thingy. All right, something like this. And we can have here like an H, bigger H. Let's have an H2O. Yeah, let's have it here. H2 will be featured meal. Not bad, I guess. Although we have a lot of space here, so maybe we can move this up to 200. If you want a content show the center of the page, you can use display flex. Yeah, I know. That's my go-to always. But I don't want this. This will be the featured, and then we're going to have like, so let me show you style. H2, kind of want this to have a border, display inline block, and have a border bottom of 2 pixels solid. Let's use this color. Although now it kind of feels that, where is Adrian? Sleeping? Yeah, no. 3 pixels? Nah, I don't really like that. Maybe we can use this color. So if we're using it again, let's put it on root and use primary color. Use CSS variables here. And we're going to use it here and here. This is how you use it, I think. Yeah, good. And then we can use it here too. I don't know. Maybe make it bigger. As I said, my design skills are so bad. 2.5 rems. No, too big. Hey Sasidaran, how are you? Are class-based components going to be removed from React? I don't know. I really don't know. Yeah, let's go back to that black. And maybe we can use this as a color too. Black color. So we know it's a color. Hey Victor, how are you? Yeah, so now I kind of don't like the background color. Oh, yeah. So it has more box shadow. Let's improve it a bit. Like this, and more spread. All right, and this is lighter. So yeah, we can do that. Meal title. Font size 1.5 rems, a bit bigger though. And font weight 400. I guess we can go up to 1.8 now. Let's see. Do you like Sass when you write CSS? Not really. Missed var with black color at one place. Where? Yeah, we have this color here though, but and we have white. Oh yeah, thank you. All right, so this is the featured meal. Doesn't look the best, but I guess I don't like this color. Can we? I don't know. So as of now, it works. Yeah, it works with black though. Let's see this one. Yeah, I don't know. What if we do it white here then? Nope. Salmon, avocado, salad. All right, good. Nevertheless, now how and where we're going to add a searchy thingy? Yeah, we have this buttonish thing here. Oh, also view receipt. I forgot about this. Because, well, we might want to view this receipt, right? So, yeah. I don't know if I'm going to finish this app today with all the things I'm adding now. Let's have a button. Place emet, okay. View receipt. Hello, Bimal. Class name will be btn primary. I guess just btn for now. Thinking. It's in details. Okay. So let's style it first here. btn. We want it to be background color. Emmet is lazy today. This color white. I guess we could put this as a secondary. All right. Okay, padding 15 pixels, 25 pixels. Font size 1.2. Let's see how this looks. All right. Border none. It has some rounded corners, right? Yeah. Good. 5 pixels. Okay, and it has text decoration uppercase. Yeah, now maybe it's too big, so 0.8. Yeah. Goodish, I guess. Font weight old, or I guess 600. Yeah, look at that. Pretty nice. Good. And now what I want is in meal details, it want to be position relative, and meal details btn I want position absolute, and I want it to be bottom minus 10 pixels and right minus 10 pixels. Oh, we have overflow hidden. Not good. So, okay, I'm going to fix that by getting this and putting it here, and border radius on the image here, the image container too. Wait, like this. Yeah, but we have then tricky. Border top left radius and border bottom left. So we can't use overflow on the container, so then I used on this. But it looks good now, and we have that there. All right. And I think we can use thank you, Sivan. So I want to use Font Awesome. Can someone give me the Font Awesome link? I never have it. Font Awesome CDN. Let me close what we don't need here. Why don't use the DevTools for customize your CSS props? It kind of, I don't know, I don't need it. Yeah, I use it if I have bugs, but I don't really need it otherwise. I don't know, but when I have bugs, I use it. All right, so we have the icons now, and here, where is it? Random meal. Here I want FAS, FA, arrow right or something. Not sure if that's an icon. Yeah, nice. And I guess we could do on the button letter spacing 1 pixel. More padding. Yeah, the font awesome.com is not very useful. They don't have the CDN to find it easily. Yeah, so it still doesn't work. The icon is, and I don't like the icon. Let's go icons. Maybe we can find another right icon. And enough. Ahmed, how are you today? Whoa, 59 people watching, 90 likes. Can we get to 100? That will be cool. Yeah, I don't know. 6:30. I probably have around 20-30 minutes. We'll see. Maybe not that much, but we'll see. Arrow, arrow, arrow. I want a soft arrow. No. Yeah. Not really. I guess let's see. Long arrow, alt, right. Long arrow, alt, right. I don't know. Maybe we can use this arrow. Arrow, alt, circle, right. Arrow, alt, circle, right. Hey, Caleb. Yeah, I wanted to remove your timeout. Apparently making you mod didn't work. Yeah, all right, we're going to leave this like this. And btn, I want cursor pointer. All right, so at least now our app has a random meal, featured meal. But this button doesn't do anything yet. Yeah, and apparently this button is bigger and has some box shadow. So let's do that too. The box shadow we can kind of steal from here. Maybe not that obvious, like 5 pixels. Whoa, that's too big now. All right, good. Whoa, what's that? So the overline has some space there. Whoa. Oh well. Border none. Border 0? No, that's so weird. Oh well. Good. Outline now, yeah. Good. So this is the featured mill. Now we need a way to search and have, well, the search result. I'm thinking. So yeah, how will that look? Display none, yeah. Obviously, that will work. You know what? Let me get this out and put it here. I kind of don't want that to be there, so we only use the random mill. Now, this will be its own section with its own container, with its own headline and all that. All right. I was looking to see if there's something there in the bottom. Good. So that's the random mill. Amy, hi, don't worry. Now, I want a way to search. Should I add the button here? Should I add an input here? Should I add an input on top? What should I? Here it's an icon there. Thank you, Sid. So I don't know how we should position it, but I guess let's make the functionality. 100 likes, yay! Let me try to use some sounds. Hopefully it won't break. I think we use the clap. So wait. Hey! I guess. Oh, I think no, we use the fireworks. That was let's see. Yeah. All right. Good. So yeah, I need to row to 1000. Yeah, 100 is good now. I need to make this so it will run the sound when we reach 100 automatically somehow. Can I get the likes? I need to get to the YouTube API. That's not that easy. Oh well. Goody. So yeah. This is the first time we reach 100? Is it? Probably. Okay. So again, let's add that search bar somewhere. Here, and then the results will be in another section, class name, sorry, a container with an h2 of search results. See, so I'm so bad at this. I'm thinking. We can use this random mail we created to be just the mail, and then we'll convert this to be mail functionality. Yeah, so not quite. It has its own container, so you know what? Yeah, let's do that. So I want to have another component which will be the mail.js, and this will be this. For React from React, const mail, like this, and export default mail. What's wrong? We don't have a closing div? Yeah. Good, so we use the mail, and this will get the mail prop. So we will have string mail thumb, this one, and this one, and this one. Here, with commas. Good. And now we can use this. So in random mail, we're going to import mail from mail, and we're going to use it here. Mail, and we're going to give it a mail. Oh yeah, I messed up something, but I'll fix it in a second. And we don't need this here. Good, so we have that component now, and the random mail just adds the text and the container. And here, well, basically we want mail. I think this is how we do destructuring all of those. Custom hook, never did a custom hook. Okay, so now we have the random mail, and we get a mail, and we can import both here. Okay, so we have both, and here we're going to only use mail. One is the random mail, it has its own blah blah blah, and then we have our okay, something doesn't like, so import in body module blah 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 blah. Okay, where random mail. All right. How do I do destructuring and destructuring? So I have the mail prop, and I want these properties from it. Oh, we might not have it. Okay. Let's see. So you could use it in a component random one, and after, yeah, I see what you mean. So we might have an undefined mail. What's wrong? Yeah, I don't see it. Maybe this stuff. So okay. I'm going to use this and then put here, 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 and here meal dot. But again, we might not have it. Yeah, so basically it's the same thing. String meal thumb of undefined. So we don't have the meal property. How come? So that worked, which is good. I nailed the destructuring there. But we have an undefined meal. How? Because if we don't have the meal, we return null. So let's see, console dot, well, we won't see that. Oh, my bad, my bad, my bad. So this works, but we don't have a meal here. So just put something, it needs the meal. Alright, my bad. I think, good. So canary property substring of undefined. Yeah, so we kind of need to go here and test first. Or I guess, you know what? Let's do that check here. Return this. This should deal with its own. Wait, what? 1 second. Like this. This should deal with its own thing. So if we don't have a meal, then return null. And otherwise, let's do the structuring here. Okay. Yeah, you get rusty after not writing React for a while. So this should do its own check now. And should work almost. Yeah. It's cool, but it's blurred, not visible. Not sure what you mean. Okay, so substring of undefined. We still don't have that, so yeah, I think we need to check this. All right, finally something. And yeah, so if we don't have it, this should not work. Well, we shouldn't have anything. All right, finally. Now we have this search box. But yeah, don't think I won't have time today to finish, unfortunately. But we're going to do it in the next live stream. Let me know if you like this. Although, so yeah, we kind of did only this thing. Oops, not an egg. So we still need to do this too. So searching and displaying. 111 likes. Whoa, that's crazy. A lot of people liked it. Thank you. Yeah. So we still need to search for the meal, display the results, and yeah. Probably on Sunday on the special live stream, we can do this. Finish this app. Alright, yeah, sorry, I just have to leave. I can't finish. Alright. Put an egg in your comment. Okay, sure. Yeah, you know what? I'm going to put 2 for you. That make it 3. Alright. Pizza Express Margarita. Whoa, that looks nice. We have a goody. Okay, before I go, I want to thank again the members of the channel. Those who support the work I do here. I think a lot about, I really like doing live streams, and I really not really like doing standalone videos, although I recorded like 24 this week, 22 to 24. So I want to find a way to do both, like having live streams and then cropping it out and having standalone videos. I say this for months now, but I need to make it work, so then we can have live, I code, then I respond to questions at the end, and that part could be cropped out and be a standalone video. So I want to thank Marco, Dennis, Ivan, Jeffrey, Jonathan, Tishel, Akash, Sarat, Nate, Laurent, R, Jack, Yuan, and Ishan for becoming members of the channel. They received special perks. You can find the link in the description if you want to become one. And we didn't get to do the only members live stream this week, but I'm going to try to do it next week. Okay. You'd like to see more about built-in functions, like the array method series? I think I could do that. Repo for this project. I don't have a repo now. But if we're going to finish this project, I'm going to create one. Okay, so yeah, it looks pretty nice. Thank you, UI Design Daily for the design, which are free designs to use however you want. Okay, thank you all for joining. I'm going to see you on Sunday in a special live stream for my birthday. Be there. It will be at 4 p.m. UTC +3. You can find the link, I think, somewhere on my channel. But yeah, I'll keep you updated. Have a great day. Hey, Adrian. I needed you for the design part. You weren't here. What was I saying? I think we're going to see again Sunday. So you are sleeping. Okay. Have a great day, and I'll see you Sunday. Bye. Take care.